Welcome back everyone. In our previous video we discussed how to calculate inverse of any matrix, and now we are going to discuss how to calculate the multiplication result of two matrices. So let's get started. Let us consider A equals to 1 2 4 2 3 0 and B equals to 4 1 4 3 0 minus 1 3 1 and 2 7 5 2. As we can see that A is a 2 by 3 matrix and B is a 3 by 4 matrix. That means 2 rows 3 columns and 3 rows 4 columns. So now let's get started. We have to find AB equals to what? By using calculator we are going to determine this multiplication result. So let's get started. At first switch on the calculator, then go to menu, then go to option 4 matrix, then select option A, which is option number 1. Select number of rows equals to 2, number of columns equals to 3. Values are 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 0. Then remove this. Then again go to option. Then go to define matrix. Then select option number 2, matrix B. Then number of rows equals to 3. Number of columns equals to 4. And then values are 4, 1, 4, 3, then 0, minus 1, then 3, then 1, then 2, then 7, then 5, then again 2. Then erase this also. Then go to option button, select option number 3, which is matrix A. Then put the multiplication sign, again go to option, then select option number 4, which is matrix B. Here we have obtained the multiplication result, which is 12, 27, 30, 13, 8, minus 1, 17 and 9. Therefore AB equals to 12, 27, 30, 13, 8, minus 1, 17, 9. That is 2 by 4 matrix. This is how we can calculate the multiplication result of two matrices by using calculator. Thank you so much everyone.